Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing the second asana of the Warrior series, which is Virabhadrasana 2. Warrior 2 is great for building strength in the legs, toning the abdomen, as well as preparing for more advanced balancing poses. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Come to Tadasana. As you inhale, jump and spread the legs apart sideways. Then turn the right foot towards the right and adjust the left foot slightly towards right. Raise both the arms sideways in line with the shoulders, palms facing down. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start bending your right knee till the right thigh is parallel to the floor and the right shin is perpendicular to the floor. Right knee should be stacked over the right ankle. Turn the face to the right to gaze at the right palm. Stretch the back leg fully. If you see yourself from the side, your back leg, hips, torso and front leg should all be in one plane. You might have a tendency to tilt forward or backward, so avoid that. Engage your core to maintain your balance. Then slowly straighten the right leg and come up. Now we'll repeat it on the other side. Turn the right foot in and the left foot towards the left. As you inhale, bring your arms up, and as you exhale, bend the left knee to come to Warrior 2. Stay in the pose for 5 breaths, engaging both the legs and keeping the core tight. Slowly come up, bring the arms down and jump back in Tadasana. This was Warrior 2. It can be a bit strenuous initially, so practice your way towards it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to stay in tune with new yoga videos every week. Bye-bye.